Hello guys, I hope you all are good and everything is fine. So today our topic is how to change language in Rec Room. So first of all, please click on the menu icon on top right corner. So sorry, on top left corner. Click on that. So after clicking on top left corner, you can see here the settings. Click on settings and you can easily go to experience. After going into experience, you can see here language option. Click on that. Click on the language you want to change from here. After clicking on the language, you can see here two options: switch now or switch on next login. You can easily switch on the next login or switch now. It will redirect you to login page and you can log in again, and this is how you can change the language. So bye.